Why don't seniors need bookmarks for their manuals on the best e-bikes? Because their wrinkles hold the pages in place. And now let us explore 11 practical tips on best e-bikes for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right bike type. Seniors may find some e-bike styles more comfortable and easier to handle than others. For instance, a step-through frame makes mounting and dismounting easier, which may be better for those with mobility issues. Some might prefer a tricycle e-bike for enhanced stability. Considering these factors in deciding the bike type is a significant step to making the right purchase. Tip 2. Look for a comfortable seat. The seat should provide ample support and comfort, since discomfort from an uncomfortable seat can deter seniors from cycling. Look for bikes with wide, cushioned seats. Some e-bikes even come with suspension on the seat post for additional comfort. Tip 3. Consider the battery life. Depending on how you plan to use the bike, you should consider the battery life. Longer battery life will allow for long, leisurely rides, or the ability to use pedal assist for extended periods. Tip 4. Check the bike's weight. The e-bike should be light enough for you to move around comfortably. Some e-bikes can be pretty heavy due to their batteries and motors, which might pose a challenge for seniors. Tip 5. Pedal assist levels. Pedal assist mode provides extra power as you pedal, making it easier to tackle hills or long rides. E-bikes with varied pedal assist levels offer versatile riding options, from a low level of assist to intense levels for steeper inclines. Tip 6. Think about tyres and suspension. Wider tyres and a good suspension system can drastically improve biking comfort, absorbing bumps and jolts from uneven ground. This can be especially helpful for individuals with back conditions, arthritis, or others sensitive to jarring movements. Tip 7. Evaluate safety features. E-bikes for seniors must have good safety features such as effective brakes, good lighting for visibility, a bell or horn, and a lower maximum speed. These elements will provide a safer ride, which is especially important for senior riders. Tip 8. Opt for a lower top speed. As speed increases, so do risks. Opting for an e-bike with a lower top speed can lessen these risks and make the e-bike ride much safer for senior riders. Tip 9. Maintenance needs. Generally, e-bikes require some routine checkups for optimal performance. E-bikes with hub-driven motors require less maintenance than their mid-drive counterparts, making them more convenient for those who prefer lower maintenance options. Tip 10. High visibility. An e-bike in bright reflective colors will be more visible to motorists. As our eyesight deteriorates with age, having a brightly colored e-bike may also make it easier for the rider to spot in crowded bike racks. Tip 11. Budget. Just like any other big purchase, it is important to set a budget when shopping for an e-bike. High-end models can be quite expensive, but there are reasonably priced options available that don't skimp on essential features or safety.